Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2024 Activated. There is two ways to download. You can download from my official Telegram channel at TechWithAli92, or also you can download from the official website. Let's get started. Open your browser and type Office Customization Tool and hit Enter. Open the first website. Okay, choose your architecture, 64-bit. Now choose your Office suite to Office Professional plus 2024 volume license. Choose your language, English United States. After this, leave the rest as default. Hit Next, Next, and Finish. Now hit Export. Choose the file format to XML. Accept the terms and hit Export. Now open New tab and type Office Deployment Tool. Open the first website. Hit Download. Okay guys, we have finished the downloading step. Now let's install Office 2024. Create new folder in your desktop and rename to Office 2024. And copy the downloaded files into the folder. Right-click on the Office Deployment tool and run as administrator. Accept the Microsoft terms and hit Continue. Choose the folder you created before and click OK. Now cut the folder into C drive. Copy the path. In the search box, type cmd and run as administrator. Type cd and paste the path. Now type setup, exe configure configuration, XML. And hit Enter. Alright, as you see it, The process is started. Now wait until the process to finished. Okay guys, the process will take some minutes. Until that, please subscribe to my channel to get updated tech news. Okay guys, as you see, the process is finished. Let's open Microsoft Word and let's check it. Perfect guys, as you see, the latest Microsoft Office 2024 is installed in my PC, and as you see, it's fully activated. No more needed to activation. Okay guys, this is today's video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.